Hello everyone outside there. How are you doing today? I hope you're fine. As I told you last time, that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and we shall be learning on the basic computer skills every time I come along on the internet. So today we are going to look at yet another basic computer skills, and that is Microsoft Excel. What is a Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is simply defined as a spreadsheet program that allows the users to organize, format, and calculate data using a spreadsheet. So that is what it means by a Microsoft Excel. So it uses a function and a formula, and then it is made up of cells, and cells can be defined as a space where two rows and columns meet. So that is what we call a cell. And the cell starts from A1 up to some point, like up to, I don't know up to how many, but there are many. So how do you enter your data in a spreadsheet? So you enter your data in a cell. As we have already said, that a cell is a point, is a space where two columns and rows meet. That space is the one which is called a cell. So if you want to write anything, you write in that cell and then you click on to enter. Or then you go to the next cell. If you want to do any calculation, you use those functions or formulas. And a function is a predetermined formula which are already in the system, which have already been in use before. But a formula is the one which you set it by yourself, and then you want to perform some kind of calculation, and then you set that formula by yourself. It's not predetermined. So that is how Excel actually operates, and it can be used to do calculations and so many things. So briefly, that is what I can say as pertaining the introduction to Excel. I'll be back with yet another package in Excel, and then we shall go over it. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my videos. We continue. Thank you.